Hello guys, in my previous video I showed you guys how to create a CPA grip for instant approval for beginners, and we are able to do that. We are able to create this particular CPA grip account. You can see I've been very active here. I've gotten like 4 leads. I've earned like $10 so far. Remember, I'm also running on doing CPA marketing, and I hope people are behind me so that you can be able to succeed together. Remember, everything I post on my YouTube channel is free for charge. For now, I don't charge anything. So if you follow my instructions, you are sure you're going to make something for yourself. Now, remember, after creating now an account on a CPA grip, you need to pick an offer. For example, in the top performing offers, you can click here so that you can get the offer that you're going to promote. And advantages of CPA grip: for you can promote offers for other countries even after you created your own country offer. For example, you see, I created a Kenyan account and our offers are very low paying, so you can always come here, click United States or other high paying countries, and you're going to get offers for those particular countries, which now you can promote them on your various platforms, from Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, and so much for Pinterest ads. So always I like using under categories, email zip submit method is the best, because this means that if a client clicks your offering and registers using this email and submits their zip code, you're going to get conversions or a read. You're going to get paid $1.86, for example, for this particular offer here. Now, before doing all that, you need to create such a high converting landing page. This is called a landing page. You see, these are very high converting landing page, like this one, like this one. This one is not very high converting. This one is a bit better, and this one very high converting landing pages. You need landing pages for you to generate rewards. So for you to obtain very high quality landing page like these ones, there are various tools that you need to know or that you need to use. And the first tool that you're going to use today for generating such high converting landing page is called ChatGPT. Most people know this one very, very well. So how do you use ChatGPT to create a high converting landing page? So let's go to CPA grip offer. Here, let's click the offer we need. Which one should you take? This one is the most on demand, getting 1000 Visa gift card now, this one. So let me click on it. Click on it. So you see, this is whatever, the Visa gift cards offer. So what you do now, you can copy this, then download this image, Visa offer 2, downloads. Then let's go to ChatGPT, then add photos, then we see, where is it, Visa offer 2, this one, add it here. So here we prompt ChatGPT to act. Okay, now this is our prompt. So Let's work on it. Let's see what it's going to make for us. So ChatGPT has created a prompt, a high converting landing page for us. So this is the one. So now let's download first of all and see how it looks like. So this is the one. So yeah, it's under downloads. I click here. So this one, so let's extract it here. So this one has been extracted. Where is it? This one, zip file, unzipped. So let's open and see how it looks like. Wow, this one is perfect. You see, it has included the image that we sent. Then it tells you to do what? Get a $1,000 Visa gift card now, limited time offer, computer short verification to claim. So under this claim button here, this is where you put what? This is where you put your affiliate link, and you can actually do it on the same ChatGPT, and that's how you do it. You go to your CPA grip offer, copy this particular link, go to ChatGPT, tell it to add this affiliate link to a call to action button. Just like that. So it's going to provide another zip file for us to download, and that particular zip file will be having the offering. Now this is updated zip file containing our offering. You see, so click here. So extract again. This one. So if you check here at the bottom left corner, if I click here, it's going to display my offering. This offer is for United States. I'm currently on I'm not using any proxy, so I cannot just click it here because it's going to open to my normal IP. So but at least you can see that my affiliate link has been added to my claim to action button, where it says claim my 1,000 gift card. At the bottom left corner here, you can see that it has been added very, very well. So that's how you use what? That's how you use ChatGPT to do what? To create high converting landing pages. Today I wanted to show you two tools. First of all, it was ChatGPT, and the next tool we are going to use is called landingpage.io. If you don't have an account, just start free, register for an account, and you're good to go. So once you register an account, just come here and create your landing page. So for now, let me go to my offer here. Let me click this one, copy, then go back ChatGPT here, say landingpage.io, sorry, then say so let's see what it's going to provide to us. This is the best one for me, landingpage.io, and it's free for now, so take advantage of it. It's free of charge. And guys, remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. If up to now you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be very, very much grateful. I'm a bit in a fever. I have a fever. That's why my voice is a bit different, but I'm on medication for it. So Sorry for, don't mind about my voice today. Yeah, but this is the tutorial. The most important tutorial I've shown to you today is how to create a landing page for your CPA grip offers using ChatGPT. And now I'm going to show you how to create it using what? Landingpage.io. So let's wait for it to create. At the left side of the screen, you can see how it's thinking, and the right side here, this is where you see the generated page. So just follow up. So as you can see from ailandingpage.io, it has generated a very high level, high converting landing page for us. And that's why if you are new to creating landing page and you don't have any knowledge about creating websites or landing pages, when using landingpage.io, there is no skills required. Just type your prompt and it gets generated for you, and for now it's free of charge. So take advantage of it. You see, this one is very high converting. So now once it generates once for you, you can go back to your CPA offer the same way we did for ChatGPT, and instructed to add the affiliate link to all the call to action button. Add this affiliate link to all call to action button. Call to action button is all those buttons where a person can be able to click, like claim now. This is the call to action button. This one is a call to action button. This is what we call to action button, where a user might be tempted to click to find out more. So I've instructed it. Let's wait for it to finish. Voila, now it has finished. It has added our affiliate link in our call to action button. So let's check. You can see here at the bottom, check here. Once I press my cursor under the claim button, you can see my affiliate link there. Here you can see it here, where else? Under here you can see it in all call to actions button. The affiliate link has been added, you see. So this is where a client may be tempted to click, you see. So those are the two major ways of using AI tools, that is ChatGPT and landingpage.io, in creating high converting landing page for your CPA grip offers. So whatever I did today, you can pick any offer here and repeat the same procedure to create the same landing page for each one of the offers listed here. Remember, once you create a landing page, the next step is to host your landing page on a domain. There are various free hosting domain sites, and there are various paid and affordable domain sites. So I think in the next video, I'm going to show you guys on how to host your landing page on a free hosting domain. It's very simple, and you're going to enjoy the video. So remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. So just keep track with me. Every video I post about CPA marketing, don't ignore it. Watch it to the full, and you're going to enjoy later. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.